ladies, a very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good. A digital hi to everyone, and I would request all of you to start your videos. Lovely. I can see some really pretty faces across the screen. And are we all set for talent round 2? Great. I'm sure you guys are going to, really kill this one. So let's, get started. All the very best. These are your 90 seconds, like I always say. Make sure, you just shine on with those beautiful, outfits and, of course, your themes that you have chosen for the day. So let's get started. And I would request the jury members to start their videos. Lovely. We have 3 lovely ladies on the jury panel again. I guess 3 is a lucky charm for FCR for that matter. First, of course, is Miss Kirti Chaudhary, who is the director of Forever Star India, has always been there. And, second, we have Anamika Yadavanchi, who's sitting there lovely in pink. And, her smile says it all. She's a motivational speaker. And last but not the least, we have the OG expert for the day, Roshni Tolani, who is the makeup artist and is going to give you very keen observations on your makeup for the day. So welcome on board, jury members. Thank you so much. It's an absolute pleasure having you here. And also, we have a very special guest today with us, your fellow participant, Sneha Sonavane, who is going to take over and talk about her experience because she was one of the top scorers in her respective batches. And, trust me, she did really well. And I'm sure she's going to, share what she felt, because who better than a person who has gone through the same lines, to talk about it. Welcome on board, Sneha.
Thank you so much, Sherry. Thank you so much.
Over to you. I think there is no reason to delay. You can just share your experience.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for your wonderful, introduction. Well, first of all, hello everyone. My name is Sneha Sonavane. I'm one of the fellow participants like you. And in the beginning, it was very tough. I thought these beauty pageants have so many criteria. I may not fit into body, any measurements or any facial, features which they expect for. So it will be difficult for me to become the part of any of these. But FCR has come with the unique concept, like there is no criteria. Whoever has the passion or the will to become the participation of this contest can come. So I had just done the participation of FCR, and trust me, there is a lot of change, I would say, which has come into me. First of all, right from your personality, like your hairdo, your makeup, your costume, how you walk, how you talk, everything they have just give us the finishing about. And especially Anamika ma'am, who has inspired a lot to for all of us, like you should be always positively charged, channelize yourself with the positivity. These kind of stuff she has taught us, which has helped a lot of us to emerge from point 1 till this point. I would just start with my talent round number 1. I was very nervous, and since I'm this big fan of this concept like feminism, so I have chosen the character of one girl to whom there was this guy who is continuously chasing, and how she raises her voice. So that was my first round, in which I had just given one speech. It was the acting skill round for me, and I had just wanted to show my acting skills. So I had done that. And in my second round, I had chosen this character named Rani Lakshmi Bai, because for me, she is the example of woman empowerment. And in spite of being a woman, and there was this option to live this royal life, no hurdles in life, but still she has chosen to fight for her Jhansi, her kingdom, and she just led this beautiful life of fighting for her country. So that was something which inspired me, and I chose her character. So what things which I kept in my mind was language. I used our language like Rashtrabhasha Hindi to be more impactful. I took care of the time, because time is very precious. If you're finishing your performance within the time, it will help your other fellow participants to start with time, and the whole round will finish up within the particular timeline which they are expecting us to finish. So I took care about the timing. I kept my background white, subtle, standard, which will enhance the clothes, the color of clothes which I'm wearing right now or at that time. So I kept a background very subtle and white. So it's very important to take care of your background, because sometimes it's like messy, some furniture behind you. So it distracts the person who is watching at you. So that I took care of. And of course, my makeup, my accessories, everything which was visible on the screen, I took care of all of it. And I think that is the reason which enhanced my performance. I would just say that just Don't look into others' plates, what is served into their plate. Just look into your own plate. Just do your best. Don't compare yourself with your other participants that they have performed so well, they're excelling. What will happen to my performance? Don't think about it. Just do your best. If you're taking efforts, it will be visible to the people who are watching you, and you will get the ultimate good scores, which is, your motto in this overall round, which is there at this time. And I would just say that opportunities don't happen, we create it. And we have already created an opportunity for ourselves by choosing this platform. So we are already in the league of become successful. So congratulations, you have already reached to that point already. I'm just proud of all of these wonderful, beautiful women who are sitting in front of me. It's like such a treat to my eyes to watch all of you. I just want to say that do your best, focus on what you're doing, and believe in yourself. I'm sure you're gonna rock it. Seriously, you're gonna rock it. I believe in you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you. I can see the mentor in Anamika, beaming with pride and happiness that, this is what she has brought out the children. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. Your words, I'm sure, are leaving us with a very, very happier impact. So, we will get back to you in the end because I'm sure you would have more insights to give. So,
Sure.
jury members, are we all set to go? Shall I start? Great. Thank you so much. So let's get started. And first sequence, like I mentioned, always, I would be announcing sequence 515. So please be very attention to your turn. Okay. So the first participant would be Madhuri, Amrita, Simran, Garima, and Priyanka. So hi, Madhuri.
A very good evening, ma'am, and everyone.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are we feeling good?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Madhuri. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. So, a very good evening, everyone. So, मैं basically आप लोग मेरे लुक को देख के तो समझ गए होंगे कि मैं किस कल्चर को बिलोंग कर रही हूँ. But then also अगर कोई समझ नहीं पाया तो उनको मैं बता दूं that basically मैं कोलकाता से बिलोंग करती हूँ तो मैंने बंगाली लुक ट्राई किया है. So, just have a look. मैंने बंगाली
go back.
जिस वे से साड़ी पहनते हैं लोग सेम उसी वे में साड़ी भी पहना एंड देन द बंस एंड बेसिकली आप लोग सभी जानते हैं दैट कि बंगाली गर्ल्स उनके आईज के लिए जानी जाती हैं बिकॉज उनकी आईज बहुत बड़ी और बहुत सुंदर होती हैं एंड वो लोग अपने हेयर पे भी बहुत ज्यादा केयर करती हैं बहुत लॉन्ग होती हैं एंड मैंने ये मेकअप इसलिए लिया बिकॉज ये बेसिक है और सब जानते हैं दैट कि अभी दुर्गा पूजा आने वाला है सो वी ऑल नो कि दैट सभी लड़कियां साड़ी पहनेंगी एंड चूड़ियां पहनेंगी जिससे वो लोग और ट्रेंड के हिसाब से वो लोग जाएंगी सो या वी कैन से दैट कि बेसिक मेकअप पे भी आप साड़ी पहनो तो आप अच्छे लगोगे एंड बंगाली कल्चर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं एंड आप सभी जानते होंगे दैट यहाँ बंगाल का फेवरेट स्वीट और कुछ नहीं सो रसगुल्ला है जो मोस्ट ऑफ द सारे जूलीज को पसंद होंगे सो आई जस्ट और मिष्टी दोई भी तो बस इतना ही बोलना चाहूंगी थैंक यू
Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you so much. I would request Anamika to comment upon, Madhuri's performance.
Thank you so much, Madhuri. You are looking lovely. और आपने जो प्रिपरेशन करी है बंगाली बनने की दैट वाज वेरी नाइस लेकिन आपने हम लोगों को शायद बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट समझ लिया कि बहुत सारे कल्चर्स के बारे में हमको पता है आपको पता ही होगा बंगाली लोग क्या करते हैं आपको पता ही होगा मुझे नहीं पता मैं तो वो बंगाली के आलता से और ड्रेस से और उनके मेकअप से ही पहचानती हूँ कि वो बंगाली लगते हैं स्पेशली जो जितना आई थिंक मेरी नॉलेज शायद थोड़ी पुअर है मैं बंगाली को व्हाइट एंड रेड बॉर्डर साड़ी से जो आपका पल्लू है इट इज सिमिलर बट वैसे पहचानती हूँ सो इट वाज ऑल ब्रिलियंट ब्यूटीफुल कभी भी कोई भी प्रिपरेशन करो जस्ट always go for that little extra जितना नॉलेज आप गैदर कर सकते हो उसको उस तरीके से एक्सप्रेस करो you were beautiful confident smiling which was the best part about your performance the confidence and the smile part lovely keep it up and I wish you all the very best for the next round okay thank you so much
thank you ma'am
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you so much, Madhuri. And moving forward, let's hear from Amrita. Hi, Amrita.
Hi, Harry, and hello to all the ladies present here.
How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Now,
shall we start? Yeah,
okay.
go ahead. All the best.
Quickly. So hello to all the beautiful ladies present here. I am Amrita Srivastav and my topic is bald head woman. Women going to space, winning gold medals, and even running a nation. Never seen a bald head woman. We live in a society where Dwayne Johnson considered handsome without hairs, but never seen a Bollywood actress or any leading lady bald head. I feel somewhere as a society we are still lacking and making it stereotype for women. I'm not saying that every woman should shave off their hairs, but women should have equal liberty to make such choices. Um, uh, this is the topic. I shall say that it's not huge, but it is definitely deep enough and still undiscussed. I thank FCO for giving me the chance to talk about this topic and represent all those beautiful ladies, as we both believe in breaking the stereotypes and empowering every beautiful woman. I did I took thin polythene and applied all over my head and taped it, and then used some basic foundation and color paints to match my skin tone. Then I applied some basic makeup and tried to pull some bold look, as you can all see. Please have a look. So it's kind of an army look. I hope you all like it. So last but not the least, I would like saying that if you believe in yourself, the world will believe in you. So stop being conscious and flaunt it just the way you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Amrita. Thank you. Jury members, Amrita was 30 seconds past her scheduled time, and I would request Roshni to comment upon Amrita's performance.
Hello, Amrita. I loved your concept. It was really different and really beautiful concept. So true that, we as a society are still lacking in so many things when it comes to women equality. Beautifully done. The only thing is, I felt you were a little nervous. Don't be nervous. You were beautiful. Your concept and your speech, everything was beautiful. Just have that confidence and go all out about it. All the best for the next round.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Roshni. Thank you so much, Amrita. Thank you. And moving forward, let's hear it from Simran. Post her, the sequence would be Garima, Priyanka, Sara, Garishma, Sweta, Ankita, and Richa. Hi, Simran.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, you are. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Thank you to
All
us.
set? All set?
Yeah, all set. Can I start?
Okay. Yeah, all the best.
Okay. The moment I got this opportunity to represent myself in Miss India contest in a theme, I decided to represent myself as a typical traditional Indian women. We all may belong from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, but as a whole, we are all Indian first. I decided to wear a sari as it represents unity amongst us. It is not religious, it is cultural. I'm sure we all must have tried draping saris when we were little kids. What do you think? Why does that happen? We were actually trying to imitate the culture that our mother follows. Like, it is the most versatile outfit that we can wear. Anyone who's tall, short, fat, or slim, everyone can wear it. So I would like to show you the products that I've used for my makeup today to show the clarity. So I'm not a very big fan of eyeshadows, but today I've used matte as well as glittery eyeshadow. These two work for the density of my lashes. I've applied in a blush, I've applied this because it is a very soft tone and it really worked for me. I have blow dried my hair for the volume. Whenever I have to give myself a brighter look, I use two concealers, one of my same skin tone and one a little lighter. For lipstick, I use two lipsticks as I am a big, inventing makeup fan. So that's all. That's all I did for the makeup. But everything would have been a waste if I didn't put this little bindi on my
Okay, I think her video got stuck. Simran, can you hear me?
Did it lag? Did it lag? Oh God.
Simran, now you are visible. आपकी video रुक गया था बीच में.
Oh God. Oh.
You were on to the bindi wala part.
Yeah, so the most important part about our whole Indian outfit is this little bindi on my forehead. So that's all about my look today. Thank you very much. I hope you liked it.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you so much. Do you remember Simran was 20 seconds past her scheduled time, barring her network issue? So, Kirti ma'am, I would request you to comment upon Simran's performance.
Thank you so much, Simran. First of all, let me just tell you that you're looking lovely. Your hair is looking lovely. But I guess the light is a little too bright, so we cannot see your bindi. We cannot see your makeup perfectly. Yeah, so you could have been more prepared with the virtual setup. You could have probably, done a demo here on Zoom and checked your light, because light ke bina आपका makeup बिल्कुल clear नहीं है. Yes, you are automatically looking pretty because you are pretty, but the makeup is not that visible. One thing, and I would request all of you. This is for each one of you, that this is your talent round too. So I would want all of you to please show us your attires. So you could, at least get up and show us your complete attire, right? Because see, in this screen, we can only see your face or the upper half of your body, right? But like you are wearing a sari, Simran. So if you could just show us the complete sari, it would have been lovely. Yeah?
Yeah, this is my whole outfit. If that's
Yeah,
visible.
see, it is looking lovely. It's looking really nice. All right, Simran, thank you.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you so much. And moving forward, let's hear it from Garima. Hi, Garima.
Good evening to all of you and to our respective jurors and my co-participants. So today I am here representing Mallika Sarabhai, a social activist, a choreographer, a great dancer of Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi, and a writer as well. And she has performed as an actress too. So today she is a daughter of Vikram Sarabhai. As I'll show you a picture of Mallika Sarabhai, like she is. And now I'll begin. So Mallika Sarabhai is a daughter of great scientist Vikram Sarabhai and Mrinalini Sarabhai, who is a classical renowned dancer as well. And Mallika Sarabhai is actually known for her promotions of arts as a vehicle for social change. And she have done she have earned a BA economics in honors and MBA degree from IIM as well, and a doctorate from Gujarat University in organizational behavior. And she expressed herself in so many dance performances as a statement against the statement against the female infanticide and child marriage. She even recognized for international acclaim as well, and she even got Padma Bhushan in India. So I am representing her right now because I feel that I have some similarities with Mallika Sarabhai, and she is an artist. She conveys her messages with the dance she do, and I am an artist too because I convey all the messages and all the emotions with such portraits, which I have made in just a day. So I know one thing: if I could produce art like this in just a day, so I can do a lot more than this in my future goals. And thanks a lot to the trainer Asmita Arya ma'am, so I could have this bold look today. I'll just show you from a bit closer. So this is my bold look today. It gives me so much confidence to present myself in front of you. And I'm really happy that I finally could achieve my makeup goals from the trainers I'm getting from FCR. So thanks a lot, and I shall see you soon, really soon.
Thank you, Garima. Thank you so much. You look lovely, and I would request Anamika to comment upon your performance.
Thank you, Harry. Hello, Garima. Like Harry just said, that you're looking beautiful. You indeed are looking very, very pretty and somewhat similar to Malika, because, I could just make out the hairdo that you've done. She does like those kind of things in her press functions and all those things, and in the events that she does, she's she's wearing this kind of a hairdo. Okay, brilliant. Now, the thing is, it's beautiful that you chose a personality who is not very known, like not everybody knows her, and not many people admire art, but you chose her. That shows that how much you value art. Like you just showed us some of your drawings, which is really wonderful, beautiful. So whenever I just saw, wonderful, beautiful. Thank you so much. Whenever you're making any kind of presentation, Garima, just remember that try to restrict your hand movements, like hand movements, body movements, because it shows, as per the body language, that you're not comfortable in talking the text that you're talking. Okay, so try to maintain a stable position, and even if you need to move hands in the conversation like I am moving, try to keep your shoulders stiff. Just try to maintain a square portion like this. If you just see the shoulders, they're square, right? And then you can do little hand movements. Don't do this, then the person who's watching you gets distracted. Otherwise, you were looking wonderful, beautiful. I love your choice. That was amazing. It's just a little extra tip, ek cheez ke sath combo pack. So with this thing, I'm giving you an extra tip which may help you in future. Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you so much, Garima. And moving forward, let's hear it from Priyanka. Hi, Priyanka. Priyanka, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you, ma'am. How are you?
Are you all set?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm Priyanka. Today, I would love to say something about Gautam Buddha. And this is a tattoo of the Gautam Buddha. I have done my makeup very simple and basic. I'm wearing this costume related my themes. The life story of Buddha begins in Lubani, near the border of Nepal and India, about 2,600 years ago, where the main Siddhartha Gautama was born. At this time of great potential, Siddhartha Gautama, the future Buddha, was born into a royal family in what is now Nepal, close to the border with India. Growing up, the Buddha was exceptionally intelligent and compassionate, tall, strong, and handsome. The Buddha belongs to the warrior caste. It was predicted that he would become either a great king or spiritual leader. He completely mastered the important combat training, even in winning his wife Yasodhara in a archery contest. Suddenly, at the age 29, he was confronted with the suffering on a rare outing from his luxury place. He saw someone desperately sick. The next day, he saw a despite old man and finally dead person. He was very upset to realize that old age, sickness, and death would come to everyone he loved. Siddhartha had no refuse to offer them. Gautam Buddha always said that I can die happily. I have not kept a single teaching hidden a close hand. Everything that is useful for you, I have already given. Be your own guiding light. The Buddha while leaving his body at the age of 80. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. Roshni, I would request you to comment upon, Priyanka's performance.
Yeah, Priyanka. So again, I really liked your concept and everything, but the only thing that I felt is that whatever you were performing, it felt as if you were reading it from a script, So for the next time, you can maybe try and just present the gist of your theme and something that it's easy to remember and something that, shows that you believe in your theme, your concept that you have chosen. Apart from that, it was really good. All the best for your journey ahead.
Thank you, Roshni, and thank you, Priyanka. So moving forward, let's hear it from Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Hi to all the jury members as well. I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Are we all set?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
She has galaxy in her eyes, a universe in her mind. Because in the world, in the end of the dream, where our dream ends, the universe starts. Okay. In the world of social media, every day bring a different kind of a makeup. We have chosen a lot of, we have seen a lot of kind of a makeup. There are multiple kind of a makeup, but in this whole world, I have chosen, as you can see here, I have chosen the universal makeup. And from the other side, I have chosen this to domestic violence. Say no to domestic violence. I have written something, so I should go through that. Nourishing power of universe. They are God warriors. A woman are a God warriors who give birth and reach the magic of balance between human and universe. Is being subject of domestic violence, mentally, cruelly, sexually harassment, being raped every day, every second of a day, is what given. This is what given we given to the woman. Thank you so much. विचार कीजिएगा. I don't know much of a Hindi, but विचार कीजिएगा.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon your performance.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Even I am good. Thank you for asking. So I could see that you've put in a lot of efforts on, doing the makeup on your
Yeah.
forehead and the mask that you're using.
Yeah.
So yes, you have put in good efforts. I could see.
Thank you.
But there's only one thing that I felt there could be more clarity in what you wanted to express. Yes, it was a little hazy what you wanted to say. Maybe just because you were reading it from somewhere, right? I understand that, you are
Because
not
I
comfortable
write
with
it.
reading.
That is why. Yeah.
Yeah, you have written it, but it was not, इतना passionate feeling नहीं आ रहा था उसमें कि वो आपही ने लिखा है. It was just looking like you're just reading it for the sake of it, right? So when you have written something and when you mean it by heart, it just shows whether you're reading it or whether you're just talking it out without reading. Yeah, so from next time, just keep that in mind क्योंकि आपने efforts makeup पे बहुत डाले हैं. The presentation part could be a little more better, and again for all the participants, you are going to get one more chance. So ये एक chance आपके लिए बहुत important है. Please use it to the best of your capabilities. All right, Sarah? Okay.
I can't smile.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Kirti ma'am. And moving forward, let's hear it from Garishma. Hi, Garishma.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Yeah, you can start. Are we all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Firstly, good evening, everyone. I would like to present my theme through a small skit. Here I go. गणेश चतुर्थी की रात 7 बजे पुलिस स्टेशन में FIR दर्ज कराते हुए. सर, मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. मुझे आज सुबह एक कॉल आया था. यार, सुबह सुबह किसका कॉल आया है? हेलो, हाँ बोलो. हाँ, हेलो डॉक्टर, मैं लला की मम्मी बोल रही हूँ. मेरे लला को ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. सांस लेने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है. हाँ आंटी, बट आज क्या है, त्योहार है ना, मैं नहीं आ सकती हूँ. मेरी भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है जरा आंटी, इसलिए समझ लीजिए थोड़ा. अरे डॉक्टर, लेकिन उसको सांस लेने में कितनी दिक्कत हो रही है. जल्दी से आ जाओ तुम, बस इतने सवेरे से क्या कर रही हो. ठीक है आंटी, मैं आती हूँ. क्या हुआ आंटी उसको अस्पताल में? क्या हुआ आंटी उसको? ये देखो, उसको ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है. देखो उसकी हालत क्या हो गई है. ठीक है आंटी, मैंने उसको दवाइयां दे दी है, वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में, 5 घंटे बाद. अरे तुमने क्या दवाइयां दी है? उसको अभी भी सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है. क्या करती हो तुम? आंटी, उसका दूसरा डोज बाकी है, आपको अभी सब्र करना पड़ेगा. अरे ऐसे कैसे? उसको सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है, उसकी जान गई तो किसको डॉक्टर बनाया तुमने? कैसे क्या डॉक्टर बनी हो तुम? क्या नतीजा है ये? हम फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स ऐसे भी रूप में आना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हमें मजबूरन ऐसे ही रूप में दिखना पड़ता है. दिस इज द वॉइस रेज्ड अगेंस्ट ऑल द फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Karishma. Thank you so much. That was indeed very, very impactful. And I would request Anamika to comment upon it.
Karishma, that was really a beautiful act put together, and I really love you for, for picking up such a sensitive topic. Actually, frontline workers are going through tough times and we don't understand. We actually don't treat them humans, doctors, nurses. We feel they're only doctors and nurses. And this was a very beautiful topic that you picked up. And आपने इसको बहुत अच्छे से present किया. Your, the dialogues that you were saying, the way you were talking, the way you were shouting, everything was so natural कि अगर यहाँ पर कोई कोई acting industry से होता and they would require someone for a role, you would have definitely got picked up. Believe me, you were so good. And I loved your language, I loved your makeup, I loved your presentation. Last में थोड़े से आप sensitive हो गए, you could feel for the ones that you're representing. तो वो नहीं करना है, character में रहना है, लेकिन जब character से बाहर बोल रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा और last में emotion control कर रहे थे. Otherwise, it was 20 out of 10, I would say. Thank you so much. Lovely. It is just a rough number. It's not कि सब लोग सोचे कि उसको 20 मिल गया. I'm just telling her for an effort. This was beautiful. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Means a lot.
Thank you, Karishma. Thank you so much, Anamika. And moving forward, let's hear it from Sweta. Hi, Sweta.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. I am good, Shweta. I have to say, you remind me of Aishwarya Rai from Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam right now. You're looking so, so gorgeous. And are we all set?
Yes, ma'am, of course,
Yeah, go ahead. All the best.
Ma'am, before I start, I would like to start it from a small Rabindra Sangeet. As my outfit is of Bengali look, so I would love to start from Rabindra Sangeet. So now. বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে দেখলাম বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে দেখলাম ফিরায়ও না জননী বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে দেখলাম দিনহীনে কেহ চায় না তুমি তারে ডাকিবে জানি গো বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে দেখলাম. Hello everyone present here and also to all the performer out here. And today I'm representing Bengali culture, the Bengali women's culture. It is a Bengali sari which I have wore today. This is my mother's sari. And today, representing a Bengali women, मैं अपनी मम्मी की बात करना चाहती हूँ. तो मैं बंगाली एक बंगाली लड़कियों के जो वो sacrifice करते हैं अपने life में, and also they go through so much struggle and all, and me also being from a typical Bengali family, वो कितना suffer करते हैं, वो अपनी सपनों को हासिल नहीं कर पाते हैं. They just get so much of pissed off from the family. You can't go here and there, and you can't go to the Bollywood. You can't make your dreams come true because you have to follow your culture and all. So today, मैं अपनी मम्मी को ये बताना चाहती हूँ through this performance that mom, no matter whatever you do, I know you're very talented, you're very beautiful, and your beautiful voice. और मम्मी के through मुझे ये beautiful voice मिला. So मैं मम्मी को ये बताना चाहती हूँ that mom, today from this platform, I know I'll make a full I'll utilize this platform and I'll maybe a beautiful singer and also a successful singer in future. मम्मी को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि today I'm gonna fulfill all her dreams in future, being a successful singer and an actress. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sweta. Thank you so much. Jury member Sweta was 30 seconds past our scheduled time. And let's hear it from Roshni. I would request her to comment upon Sweta's performance.
Thank you, Hari. Shweta, I absolutely love the way you're looking, and your voice is even better than what you're looking right now. I was actually like, I wanted to just close my eyes and listen when you were singing. It was so beautiful. Your performance was also amazing. If you could just, show us your full outfit so that we can get a full glimpse.
So I'll just on the light first.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Shweta. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much, Roshni. And moving forward, let's hear it from Richa. Hi, Richa. Richa, आप mute पे हैं. Post Richa, the sequence would be Manikanta, Jayashri, Yasmin, Vandana, Shruti, Chaitanya.
Hey everyone.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. So, are we all set?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Today my theme is housewife. I'm dressed as a homemaker. For me, this is a theme as it represents my family and me. For most of our women in India, this is a vital part of our life. Yet we don't always celebrate being a housewife or a housemaker. It's my pride and joy. Everyone knows importance of family, but most of you all agree raising a family is not easy. We have to be strong and independent to do so. Her life may appear hard and boring to others, but she enjoys every moment of it. She spends it in the service of whom she loves. I invite you all to enjoy every aspect of life along with being with your family. Working and being a homemaker can always go hand in hand. I'll show you my outfit today. I wore a suit. Thank you, Esther. Give me a chance.
Thank you, Richa. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon Richa's performance.
Thank you so much, Richa. You've totally talked about most of the women in our country, and whether we're doing anything, we're working outside. Some of them are working as entrepreneurs, doctors, motivational speakers, makeup artists. But managing our homes is something that all of us are supposed to do, right? And why not do it positively? Yes, and this is a very, very critical thing. ऐसा लगता है ना कि घर संभालना is the most easiest thing. So yes, you pointed it out right, that you are doing the most important, we are doing the most important job in this world, managing our homes, managing our kids, and we are actually, creating the future of our country. So rightly said so. I like your sari, I like your makeup, just that your content could have been a little more better because आपने बहुत important topic choose किया था. So you could have added a little more to it, a little more zing to it. Yeah. But next time I'm hoping to, see you in the talent round 3, wearing your heels and walking down the ramp. All right, Richa, thank you.
Thank you, Richa. Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. And moving forward, let's hear it from Manikanta ji. Hi, Manikanta ji. कैसी हैं आप?
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया, आप बताइए.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
जी जी बिल्कुल साफ आ रही है. आप रेडी हैं?
हाँ जी रेडी हूँ.
All the best. Go ahead.
थैंक यू मैम. मैं भारतीय महिला को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ, जैसे कि एक औरत हो गई, एक पत्नी, औरत मीन्स पत्नी, माँ और एक लड़की. ठीक है. जब हम लोग ऐसा कुछ करते हैं, हमारे घर वाले बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो सपोर्ट करते हैं, हस्बैंड सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, पड़ोसी भी जेलस में हो जाते हैं. तो उसी बेस पे एक आपको छोटा सा एड स्टोरी बताना चाहती हूँ. आप देखिए, मैं अपने हस्बैंड को कॉल कर रही हूँ और उनको मना रही हूँ और रेडी होके हूँ आज मैं. हेलो. हाँ आसिफ. अरे आ नहीं रहे हो यार, देखो क्या कर रहे हो. आओ तो. क्यों यार, मैं रेडी हो क्यों? देखो बैंगल्स किया है, बिंदी लगाई है, कजरा लगाया है, देखो ना. अरे रूठो नहीं बाबा. एफसी से पता कार्ड भी आया है, एफसी टीम ने मुझे कार्ड दिया हुआ है, पता है. उन लोगों के सपोर्ट से मैं पता यहाँ तक आई हूँ. आप भी थोड़ा सपोर्ट दे दो ना प्लीज प्लीज. अरे बाबा, बाय गॉड मैं आपको कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगी, पूरा आपकी केयर करूंगी, मैं पूरा ध्यान रखूंगी। आ भी जाओ ना प्लीज, आओ तो। हाँ जी हाँ जी ठीक है, मैं वेट कर रही हूँ। ठीक है, ओके ओके, बाय बाय, ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Manikanta ji. Thank you so much. And
मैम प्लीज, ये सच है कि आप लोगों की वजह से, मैं एक अलग हिस्सा बोल रही हूँ, आप लोगों की वजह से मुझे सेक्टर में जानने लगे, मेरे मायके में जानने लगे, मैं यहाँ तक जो आई हूँ। आपकी पूरी टीम को वेरी वेरी थैंक यू। ये सच है, मैं इस अलग से पार्ट बोली हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था, मैं सो चुकी थी, अब मैं जाग रही थी, मुझे लोग जगाते हैं कि उठो मणिकांता। सच में रियली थैंक यू सारी पूरी फैमिली टीम का आपकी।
thank you, Manikanta ji. Thank you so much. It means a whole lot to us. Trust me. And I can see my director beaming with pride and smiling all over. I would request Anamika to comment upon your performance.
गुड इवनिंग मणिकांता जी, आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो, बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे हो। मुझे साड़ी का आपका ग्रीन एंड रेड का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, इवन बिंदी का जो साइज भी आपने चूज किया, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। रोज पेटल्स आपने लगाए हैं, कैंडल जलाया, एफसीआ का जो ब्रोशर है वो आपने बिल्कुल वहां पर रखा। पूरा आपने बैकग्राउंड से लेकर के अपने कॉस्ट्यूम तक छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स को ध्यान रखा। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। जब हम, कई बार क्या होता है, हम सिर्फ अपनी परफॉर्मेंस पर ध्यान देते हैं और बैकग्राउंड की, ठीक है ना, हमारा परफॉर्मेंस देखना ना, तो उसमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हम कहीं पर भी बैठे हो। बट यू मेड श्योर, आई लव द कुशन्स, द होल सेटअप, जिस तरीके से आपने अपने आप को पूरा एक्ट किया, कैसे आपने मनाया, ब्यूटिफुल। एंड आपने उनका पूरा एश्योरेंस दिया कि आप कहीं नहीं भाग जाने वाले हो, आप मिसेस इंडिया में पार्टिसिपेट जरूर कर रहे हो बट आप घर के ही रहोगे। सो दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल, जो आई थिंक घर की दुखती रग है। जब किसी भी पेजेंट के बारे में बात होती है तो शायद घर वालों को लगता है कि आप तो घर को भूल जाओगे। तो आपने बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल पॉइंट उठाया, बहुत अच्छा था। और मैं आपके जज्बे को सलाम करती हूँ कि आपने कैसे भी अपना कॉन्फिडेंस पिकअप करके ये किया, एक्ट किया, पार्टिसिपेट किया। माय बेस्ट विशेस टू यू, लव यू।
थैंक यू, आई लव यू टू।
Thank you, Manikanta ji. Thank you, Anamika. And moving forward, let's hear it from Jayashri. Hi, Jayashri. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm. Are we all set?
Yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
मैं किट्टी पार्टी की लेडीज की गॉसिप जो होती है उस थीम पे मेकअप किया है। तो मेरे फेस पे फाउंडेशन सूट नहीं करता है, तो थोड़ा मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर और बीबी क्रीम के साथ ब्लेंड करके थोड़ा सा लगाया है। और मेरे आईज थोड़ी बड़ी है तो इसलिए मैंने आईलाइनर और लिपस्टिक को ज्यादा हाईलाइट किया है। फिर स्टार्ट। तो हाय अनीता, आजकल दिखती नहीं हो, क्या करूँ यार, जब से लॉकडाउन लगा है ना, पति और बच्चे को संभाल संभाल के दिन कट जाए। चलो, सुना है मिसेस पटेल की लड़की भाग गई है। अरे हाँ, कब भागी पता नहीं, कब भागी। चलो वो सब छोड़ो, खाना लग गया है क्या? ओह माय गॉड, गुलाब जामुन। चलो चलो खाना, पिछले टाइम ना गुलाब जामुन सब खत्म हो गया था, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला था। इस बार मैं डब्बे भर के लेके जाऊंगी, एक एक तो चल ही जाएगा। खाना तुम्हें भी लेना है? हाँ, मुझे क्यों लेना है? ठीक है, मैं ही ले लेती हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Jayashri. Thank you so much. That was indeed fun. And I would request Roshni to comment upon your performance.
Jayashri, it was absolute fun. I mean, I couldn't take my eyes off you, the way you acted and everything. It was beautifully done and it was very entertaining. Thank you for making all of us laugh. Thank you. It was amazing. All the best.
Yes. Thank you.
Moving forward, let's hear it from Yasmin. Hi, Yasmin.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you? You look very, very beautiful. And shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. All the best.
Okay, thank you. So, hello everyone. My name is Yasmin Fatima. I'm a wife. Okay. So, starting. हर चीज के पीछे एक हिस्ट्री होती है. So, मेकअप के पीछे भी एक हिस्ट्री है. And यहाँ पे मैं बिलीव करती हूँ everyone has wore makeup. So, मैं मेकअप का हिस्ट्री आपको बताने जा रही हूँ. एक्चुअली ये मेकअप एंशिएंट इजिप्ट के टाइम से शुरू हुआ था, मतलब 6000 साल पहले इजिप्ट की औरतें सबसे पहले मेकअप अप्लाई करना शुरू किया था. हेलो एमा, ओके. सो इजिप्ट की औरतों ने सबसे पहले मेकअप अप्लाई करना शुरू किया था। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मेकअप मतलब फाउंडेशन, मस्कारा, काजल। नहीं, एक्चुअली पहले जमाने में मेकअप बहुत ही मुश्किल हुआ करता था। पहले की औरतें फेस ब्राइटनिंग के लिए आई थिंक वो लोग मरकरी लीड का इस्तेमाल करती थी। और लिप्स की मैं बात करूं तो पहले की औरतें क्ले में पानी मिलाकर लिप्स पे अप्लाई करती थी, और बहुत लोग बेरीज का भी यूज करती थी कभी कभी। एंड ऑल्सो आई शेडोज एंड काजल के लिए वो कोल का इस्तेमाल करती थी। मैं एक्चुअली बहुत खुश हूँ, एंड इनफैक्ट आप लोगों को भी खुश होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आज हम 21st सेंचुरी में बॉर्न हुए। मैं इसलिए ऐसा कह रही हूँ क्योंकि अगर हमें मेकअप का जरूरत होता है, आई थिंक मीन्स कभी अगर फाउंडेशन चाहिए या लिपस्टिक चाहिए, वी कैन इजिली बाय ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन। पर उस समय ऐसा नहीं हुआ करता था। पहले की औरतें जो मेकअप यूज करती थी उनका फेस भी इनफैक्ट खराब होता था, बहुत ही स्किन पे प्रॉब्लम हुआ करता था, एंड बहुत लोगों की डेथ भी हो जाती थी इस मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स, क्योंकि लीड इज वेरी हार्मफुल टू स्किन, आप लोग को पता होगा। सो ये था मेरी तरफ से छोटा सा कंटेंट ऑन मेकअप की हिस्ट्री के बारे में। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you, Yasmin. Thank you so much. And I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon your performance.
First of all, Yasmin, you look lovely in this black suit or black dress that you're wearing. I love your hair. I love your makeup. I love the neck piece that you are wearing. Only one thing that I felt, आपने बहुत अच्छी information दी makeup से related, but had you just said it normally, you know, you could have just read it twice or thrice before, because you know when you read it from somewhere, चाहे you know आप अपने pointers ही बार-बार check करते हो, तो क्या होता है आपका performance जो है वो distract होता रहता है, you keep getting distracted, right? Because you have always been performing really confidently. आप audition में भी बहुत confident थे, आपका talent round 1 was also really good. What I would want from your side is that for next time be a little more prepared. Yes, because your makeup is on point, you're looking perfect, your confidence is on point, but that is just a little bit more distracting. And why do I tell that? This is again for everyone, that you know I am seeing a finalist in each one of you, and trust me, when you become a finalist, you will be coming on stage once you become a city winner. So city winner बनने के बाद जब आप अपना crown लेने के लिए stage पे जाएंगे, and you will be talking about yourself. So that will be random. आपको कोई वहाँ पे paper नहीं देगा, कुछ preparation का आपको time नहीं मिलेगा. So this is your preparation time, and use it appropriately. All right, Yasmin? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yasmin. Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Moving forward, let's hear it from Vandana, and post Vandana, the sequence would be Shruti, Chaitanya, Tilotama, and Ankita. Hi, Vandana.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, madam. How are you?
I am good. आप कैसी हैं?
बस मैं भी ठीक हूँ, ma'am.
Okay, so are we all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Today I am wearing jeans along with the Gujarati Bandhani sari. Hope you can all see this. This theme is to represent today's women of India, who is empowered and stick to her culture. She is flexible and to change as per the need and adapt to the new challenge with a big smile. As far as my makeup is concerned, after face wash, I use this moisturizer, then primer, then I put little bit concealer for under eyes, then my foundation, and then the last my compact. For eye makeup, I used my kajal, my mascara, then gray, this what is called eyebrow pencil, and this liner. And for eyeshadows and my blush, I used this makeup kit. And my nail paint is also matching with my sari, and this is my lipstick, matching lipstick, and this is not possible with all my these tools with brushes. I did a little bit curl to give a just modern look with the sari, and to give a chic look with the sari, I put this belt along with my earrings. My dress is symbolize that woman who choose to wear what she wants and how to follow the traditions. Like वो जो choose करती है, वो जो पहनना चाहती है वो पहनती है, and second and the other side वो अपने traditions को भी उतने ही अच्छे से follow करती है, and वो अपने root से भी उतनी ही connected है. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vandana ji. Thank you so much. I would request Anamika to comment upon your performance.
थैंक यू सो मच वंदना जी, यू आर लुकिंग लवली। एक बार आप खड़े होके अपना ड्रेस और दिखा दीजिए, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल। और मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि आइडिया किसका था ऐसे इस तरीके से इस ड्रेस को पहनने का, किसका आइडिया था? डू यू हैव अ डॉटर, डॉटर इन लॉ, सन?
नो डॉटर, आई रिसर्च अ लॉट। मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया इस पे, बिकॉज मुझे मॉडर्न लुक के संग में साड़ी को वेयर करना था। एंड जितने भी साड़ीज के वीडियोस थे, दे आर लाइक सामने आपने प्लेट किया एंड देन पल्लू, दैट इज बहुत कॉमन सा था। तो मुझे ऐसा था कि मुझे कुछ अलग लुक साड़ी के संग करना है, तो मैंने ये इसको टाई किया है दोनों साइड के बॉर्डर को। एंड देन प्लेट्स इसका पीछे है, जीन्स के अंदर आई ड्रैप्ड इट, एंड यहाँ पे मैंने सैटरी पिन से उसको स्टिक किया है साड़ी।
इसको कहते हैं वंदना जी, इसको कहते हैं आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग। तो ये आपका आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल आपका ड्रेस है एंड फुल मार्क्स टू यू फॉर द ड्रेस। और जो आपने बोला, बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली बोला, थीम भी कि गर्ल है वो मॉडर्न भी है बट वैल्यूज इंडियन है। आउटलुक अटायर बदला हुआ है लेकिन अंदर का जो इंटरनली जो ब्रेन है, दिल है, वो इंडियन है, वो होमली है, वो हेल्पिंग है, वो केयरिंग है। सो दिस वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट। बस थोड़ा सा, जब आपका इतना अच्छा कंटेंट है, इतना अच्छा ड्रेस, आधा कॉन्फिडेंस तो कपड़ों से ही आ जाता है। जिस दिन मेरी ड्रेस बेस्ट होती है ना, मैं तो किसी से नहीं डरती हूँ, यू नो, आई विल बी लाइक द क्वीन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि मेरी ड्रेस बेस्ट है। तो आज आपकी ड्रेस बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल थी, तो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस और लाइए, बिकॉज यू नो ऑल्दो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस अंदर से आता है बट ड्रेस से ऐड होता है। तो जैसे आप थोड़ा सा मेकअप उठा रहे थे, ऐसे लग रहा था थोड़ा सा आपको एंजाइटी हो रही है, थोड़ा सा टेंशन हो रही है। तो हमेशा अपने आप को बहुत काम तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कीजिए। एवरीथिंग वाज गुड, वंडरफुल, इम्पेकेबल। जस्ट दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा सा अपने को, एंजाइटी को थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करके अपने आप को और तरीके से, अच्छे तरीके से प्रेजेंट कीजिए।
टाइमिंग इशू इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम। थैंक यू सो मच मैडम फॉर योर नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you so much, Vandana. Thank you. Moving forward, let's hear it from Shruti. Hi, Shruti.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am good. Are we all set?
Yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Good evening. I'm Advocate Shruti Best. I'm a lawyer practicing in Supreme Court. I'm also author and legal columnist. And I have been judging various award functions. I've been awarded as well. And my best, thing in my life is traveling. So my theme that I have taken is traveling, and I believe traveling empowers the women. It gives her a sense of independence that she can go alone, she can exist alone, and it also increases your knowledge, because when we compare a girl and a boy, we see boys, they more go around and they have more general awareness, and the girls, they are considered to be slightly, dumb or slow as per other people's perspective. So I believe when the woman exposes herself to various workplaces or various traveling exposures or various places, we go around, we see the cultures of our country. You go to Northeast, you see the tribal culture. You go to Kashmir, you go to Kanyakumari, you go to Gujarat. North to south, we have so much of varieties of cultures in our country. And I absolutely love knowing the cultures, and I write on various travel blogs as well on my, LinkedIn profiles or various other profiles. And apart from it, on the makeup round, I would say the best makeup a girl can wear is a smile on her face and a beautiful heart, because when we have this in ourselves, we all look beautiful in whatever way the God has created us. And also to add my contribution as a columnist, since we all are on the social media platform these days, we are using so many online platforms. So many, as I'm a cybercrime expert as well, I would simply like to give some of the tips to all the women, how to, prevent themselves from the cyber crimes that can actually happen on them. So I would give some of the tips onto this issue from one of my journals that have been published in the Scora journal, and that is password should not be given to each and every person who comes around. Personal information should not much be disclosed to unknown people unless we are in a group, team, or a forum. And then, we should use the antivirus system very well installed in our cases. And we should also be careful while we, download various sites, because nowadays so many cyber crimes happen. And when we are aware about the crimes that happen on a women, whether it's cyber crime or offline crime, women will be more safe and more empowered.
And this way she can freely go around, travel in various places, know about herself and the people, and live her life happily with a beautiful smile and a beautiful makeup and a beautiful heart. That's all I would like to tell you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much. Do you remember Shruti was 1 minute past her scheduled time? And I would request Roshni to comment upon her performance.
Thank you, Harry. So, Shruti, everything was good. There are just two things that I noticed in your performance that might help you get better in the next round. So, the one thing I felt was that, you need to work a little on the pitch variation. Like for me, everything felt on the same pitch. It was looking more like a flat thing. So, work on the pitch variations, and also, like you yourself said, one thing that the best accessory or the makeup a girl or a human can wear is a smile. So, please smile more often while you're performing. Rest, everything was good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much, Roshni. And moving forward, let's hear from Chaitanya. Hi, Chaitanya.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
हाँ जी.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. मैम मैंने पंजाबी गर्ल का लुक लिया है और एक मैं आपको लुक दिखाना चाहती हूँ. मैम हेलो.
Yes, Chaitanya, we can hear you. Continue.
मैम मैंने लाइट मेकअप किया, साथ में झाले, चूड़ियाँ और पंजाबी जुत्ती और साथ में फुलकारी के साथ. और मैम मुझे पंजाबी कल्चर बहुत पसंद है और बहुत अच्छा भी है और मैं हूँ भी पंजाबी. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon your performance.
थैंक यू चैतन्या. पंजाबी कल्चर तो मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है, पर कुछ बताओ तो सही हमें पंजाबी कल्चर के बारे में. अभी अनामिका जी ने बोला था कि हमें कुछ नहीं पता है किसी चीज के बारे में, राइट? तो आपको आपका कल्चर है, आप खुद पंजाबी हैं और आपने इतना सुंदर सूट पहन रखा है, इतनी सुंदर फुलकारी वाला दुपट्टा पहन रखा है. सो यू शुड हैव टॉक्ड. आपने थोड़ा और बात करनी चाहिए थी कि क्या पसंद है आपको पंजाबी कल्चर में. आपको पंजाबी खाना पसंद है, कपड़े पसंद है जो पंजाबी पहनते हैं, जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं, लैंग्वेज पसंद है, क्या पसंद है आपको? ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ी सी प्रेपरेशन. किसी भी राउंड के लिए जब आप अपीयर करते हैं तो 1 घंटा निकालिए, सोचिए कि मैं क्या बोलने वाली हूँ वहां पे. अगर आपको पता था कि मैं पंजाबी सूट पहन के आज परफॉर्मेंस देने वाली हूँ, तो आपको पता था कि मेरे पास इतना टाइम होगा, इस टाइम में मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए, राइट? मेकअप के बारे में आपने ज्यादा नहीं बोला क्योंकि आपने बहुत सिंपल मेकअप किया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है वो. लेकिन उसके अलावा आप क्या क्या कवर कर सकते थे? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपकी तरफ से थोड़ी सी और प्रेपरेशन हो. ठीक है, मेरा बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो सूट में.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. And let's hear from Tilotama ji. Hi, Tilotama ji. आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही हैं. आप पहचान में नहीं आ रही. In fact, the doctor has taken over, with shiny outfit. कैसी हैं आप?
I am good. Thank you, Hari.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Tilottama Salvi, and today's theme is my own name, Tilottama, as an Apsara. I am presenting myself as an Apsara. This is my outfit, and this is the background which I try to create the atmosphere of heaven, because she stays in heaven. And I did the loud makeup of Apsara to enhance the beauty. I have worn artificial hair extension with the gajra, which is the naturally fragrance it gives us. And Tilottama is the combination of Tila plus Uttama. It is the Sanskrit word. Tila means the finest and Uttama means of highest. That means finest beauty of highest quality. And she was created by Lord Vishwakarma, the divine architect of the heaven, on the request of Lord Brahma to kill the Asuras. And it is said that looking at the beauty of Tilottama, even Lord Indra and Shiva was enamored. And this is how I presented myself. and she stays in heaven. And in my makeup, I have used the eyeshadows of maroon color and a maroon colored lipstick with all these ornaments, bindi and crown and my bangles. And in my neck, I'm wearing this necklace. And this is how I have presented myself for today's theme. Thank you.
Thank you, Tilottama. Thank you so much. That was, you getting finally out of your comfort zone and exploring. So thank you so much for keeping up to the theme. And I would request Anamika to comment on your comments. अनामिका आप म्यूट पे हो.
Just noticed. आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो. I am mesmerized by your beauty. लेकिन क्योंकि आप अप्सरा हो, मैं तो अप्सरा का थोड़ा सा डांस भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. तो कुछ एक पोस्चर तो करके दिखा दीजिए डांस का. लवली लवली, बहुत सुंदर. आपका पीछे का बैकड्रॉप, आपके टीके से लेकर आपकी आई शेडो से लेकर आपकी बैंगल्स, आपका नेल पेंट, सब कुछ बहुत सुंदर है. सब कुछ आपने मैच किया और कितना एफर्ट, कितना थॉट आपने इसमें डाला है, वो सब आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन में दिख रहा है. एंड बहुत सुंदर प्रेजेंटेशन है. एंड आपने बोला आपके नाम का जो मीनिंग है, फाइनेस्ट ब्यूटी ऑफ हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी. I would say finest beauty of highest quality with the best intellect. Good wishes to you for the next round. Wonderful.
Thank you, Tilottama. Thank you, Anamika. And moving forward, let's have it from the last contestant of the day, Ankita. Is it better now, the network with you? Ankita Kavare, can you hear me?
Ma'am, voice आ रही?
Hanji, you can proceed. Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. तो मैम मैं जो एक मिनट सबसे पहले तो सॉरी मैम क्योंकि मैंने आपको रुकाया क्योंकि लाइट का प्रॉब्लम है गांव में. तो मैम मैं आज जो नई नवेली दुल्हन होती है तो जब वो शादी करके घर में आती है ससुराल में तो उसका लुक आज तो लिया है तो उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहूंगी. ससुराल के बारे में कुछ लिखा है वो पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी. डियर ससुराल, तुम मुझे मेरे मायके सा फील करा पाओगे क्या? डियर ससुराल, तुम मुझे मेरे मायके सा फील करा पाओगे क्या? और बहू बनने का शौक मेरी बेटी बना पाओगे क्या? डियर सासू माँ, मैं वादा करती हूँ मैं आपको मेरे माँ जितना प्यार दूंगी. हर तीज त्योहार पर आपको माँ जैसा सवार दूंगी. आपकी हर बात भी माना करूंगी और कभी कभी मन की ना होने पर मुंह भी बनाया करूंगी. हाँ पर थोड़ी सी जिद्दी हूँ ऐसी मेरी माँ कहती है. हाँ पर थोड़ी सी जिद्दी हूँ ऐसी मेरी माँ कहती है और मेरी हर जिद पूरी करने के लिए वो अपने पापा से भी लड़ पड़ती है. तो हाँ, मेरी हर छोटी छोटी जिद को आप पूरा कर पाओगे क्या? बहू बनने का शौक मेरी बेटी बना पाओगे क्या? डियर ससुर जी, मैं वादा करती हूँ मैं आपको अपने पापा जितना प्यार दूंगी. आप आंखों में आपके लिए प्यार और थोड़ा थोड़ा झगड़ा भी करूंगी. और मैं अक्सर ख्याल रखती हूँ अपने पापा का हर चीज का. और अक्सर मैं ख्याल रखती हूँ अपने पापा के हर चीज का. तो आपकी दवाइयों का भी हिसाब रखूंगी. तो आप भी मुझे पापा की तरह जब मेरी माँ डांटेगी तो गले लगा पाओगे क्या? जब मेरी माँ डांटेगी आप भी गले लगा पाओगे क्या? बहू बनने का शौक नहीं बेटी बना पाओगे क्या? डियर भैया, आप मुझे अपनी छोटी बहन जैसा प्यार कर पाओगे क्या? और जेठ होने का मतलब रुबाब झाड़ना नहीं, ऐसा समाज को बता पाओगे क्या? डियर भाभी, आप मुझे अपनी गलतियों पर प्यार से समझा पाओगे क्या? और जिटानी होने का मतलब छोटी पर दबाव झाड़ना नहीं, और जिटानी होने का मतलब छोटी को दबाना नहीं, ऐसा समाज को बता पाओगी क्या? और बहू बनने का शौक नहीं, बेटी बना पाओगी क्या? डियर ननद, तुम मुझे अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना पाओगी क्या? अपने हर छोटे बड़े राज मुझसे शेयर कर पाओगी क्या? और भाभी बनने का शौक नहीं, अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना पाओगी क्या? अपने घर के हर छोटे फैसले में मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जरूर होता है, तो आप भी अपने घर के छोटे बड़े फैसलों में मुझे शामिल कर पाओगे क्या? बहू बनने का शौक नहीं, बेटी बना पाओगी क्या? माँ डरती है मेरी कि मैं ससुराल में कैसे संभालूंगी, माँ डरती है मेरी कि मैं ससुराल में कैसे संभालूंगी। मायके में उठती हूँ 10 बजे, वह कैसे जल्दी उठ पाऊंगी। डियर ससुराल, बहू बनने का शौक नहीं, बेटी बना पाओगी क्या? थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much. Jury members, Ankita was 1 minute past her scheduled time, and I would request Roshni to comment upon her performance.
अंकिता, आप बहुत ही प्यारे लग रहे हो। आप सच में एक नई नवेली दुल्हन की तरह लग रहे हो। और आपने जो इतनी बड़ी सी बात एक होती है जो एक हर मैरिड लड़की अपने लाइफ में फील करती है, वो आपने बहुत ही सहजता से अपने इस पोएट्री में बोली है, विच आई लव्ड। और आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हो, आपका परफॉर्मेंस भी बहुत अच्छा था।
थोड़ा सा लेकिन देख के किया, क्योंकि अभी हॉस्पिटल से आई हूँ तो
कोई बात नहीं, पर वो बहुत ही प्यारा था और आप भी बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो। थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. This brings us to the end of this wonderfully talented show that you guys have put up. And before, of course, the experts take on with their, reviews, I would request Sneha, because I'm sure she must have experienced some jittery that she must have felt during her performance. Sneha, over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sherry ma'am. Well, I have seen all the performances. Everyone was superb. I could see the efforts. It was quite noticeable. I would just say a few things which pinched me. I was like, if you're playing one character, so you are into anyone's shoes already. So you don't need to say that I'm telling information of this person. She did this, she did that, she achieved this, and she died there. No, you are the character. So आप already वो character है. So you can directly start from telling the speech or slogan जो आप बोलना चाहते हो. So हमको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप वो कैरेक्टर हो, बिकॉज ऑफ योर कॉस्ट्यूम, योर एक्सेसरीज, आपकी स्पीच से ही पता चल जाएगा कि वो कौन सा कैरेक्टर है. बट कौन से कैरेक्टर की आप इंफॉर्मेशन बताने जा रहे हो, तो उसमें टाइम चला जाता है. सो योर विंडो पीरियड गेट्स मिनिमाइज्ड एंड यू एक्सीड. सो इट कैन बी अ लिटिल डिसएडवांटेज. तो आप डायरेक्टली वो कैरेक्टर को ही प्ले करना शुरू कर दो, बिकॉज इट विल बी मोर इम्पैक्टफुल. एंड ऑल्सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, व्हाई यू हैव चोजन दिस कैरेक्टर. Because across the globe there are so many personalities which are quite inspiring. So आपने उनमें से उसी कैरेक्टर को, उसी इंसान को क्यों चुना? So that needs to be told. तो हमको भी पता चले कि what inspired you the most about that person that you have chosen to play that character. And the second thing I would say that few of the participants had distracting background. तो आप जरा बैकग्राउंड का ख्याल रखें कि वो सटल हो और प्लेन हो, so you will be in the focus because of that. And also I will say that time, because of telling the information about the character and playing the character little bit late, time ज़्यादा चला गया. तो उसमें आप you just take care about the time, because that is the most important thing, because it can turn into a negative point if you're crossing the time limit. And I would also say that there was one of the participants who said that मेरी हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, but thank you. It's okay if you're not good at some language, that's fine, but you don't need to tell it. आप enhance करके बता रहे हो कि मैं इसमें अच्छी नहीं हूँ. You don't tell them, because we know कि आप already बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो और it's really appreciating. So don't tell your negative points कि मैं इसमें अच्छी नहीं हूँ, उसमें अच्छी नहीं हूँ. आप already बहुत अच्छे perform कर रहे हो. So that is something which we have, it's glued to the screen already. So you don't need to say this negative point about yourself, because you're already putting the best foot forward. So just ये छोटी-छोटी चीजों का अगर आप ख्याल रखोगे, तो it will enhance your performance the next time when you will perform. So yeah, that's what I feel. Otherwise, everyone was superb and it was quite mesmerizing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you. And now I would request the experts to take over. So I would, request Roshni to give us a quick review.
So I don't have much to say. I think Sneha has covered most of the important points. So I would just like to congratulate everyone for reaching so far and all the best for your journey ahead. It was amazing, and I hope you will keep performing amazingly in the future also. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Roshni. Thank you so much. And now I would request Anamika to take over.
थैंक यू हैरी. स्नेहा, आपने तो बहुत अच्छा एनालिसिस किया. दिस वाज रियली वंडरफुल एंड सारे टिप्स इतने यूजफुल आपने सबको दे दिए एंड आई एम श्योर सब लोग जो है उससे बहुत लर्न करने वाले हैं. ओके, दैट वाज वंडरफुल. सब कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स के लिए बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे हो. मेरी छोटी सी स्क्रीन है, लग रहा है बहुत गर्म हो रही है बिकॉज इतनी हॉट जो है बेब्स यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. दिस इज वंडरफुल. बहुत मेहनत करी और आप सब लोगों की मेहनत दिख रहा था. बहुत अच्छे से आप लोगों ने किया. ऐसे ही करते रहिए. बिलीव मी, कोई भी मेहनत करी हुई कभी बेकार नहीं जाती. यू विल रीच ग्रेट हाइट्स हियर एंड इफ नॉट हियर, इसके बाद अगर आपको क्राउन नहीं भी मिलता है, जो लर्निंग आपने यहाँ पर इतनी सारी कर ली, इतने दोस्त बना लिए, अपना टैलेंट पहचान लिया. मैं बहुत सारी लेडीज को यहाँ देख करके बिल्कुल हैरान हूँ जो मतलब इन्होंने इतना कुछ कर लिया. जो ड्रेसिंग था, बहुत सारी चीजें जो बहुत डिफरेंट थी, बहुत आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग थी. अप्सरा जी हैं, बहुत सारे रोल्स है. मैं किसी के पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं लेना चाहती, बट सब everybody is beautiful, wonderful, and kudos to FCR. more power to FCR जो हमारी पूरी कंट्री से इतना टैलेंट निकाल के ला रहे हैं. दिस इज रियली अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी, great platform to all of you, and you all are actually very lucky to be born in 21st century जहां online Miss India, Mrs. India होते हैं. This is really great opportunity. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you, Harry. You're doing great job. Best wishes to all of you.
Thank you so much, Anamika, and a huge shout out to Anamika and Roshni both. I have shared their Instagram details into the chat box. Make sure you guys do follow them because that is how you keep up with the inspirational part for Anamika. She's the right person to approach for that, and Roshni takes over the cake, with her makeup skills. Now I would request the director, who has been smiling all this while, to take over, and I'm sure she must have a lot to say and still, the right words. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Harry, for allowing me, and thank you, Anamika, thank you, Roshni, for being here today. You have motivated the participants. I'm sure they're looking forward to, some motivating sessions with you, Anamika, and some makeup sessions with you, Roshni, once they become finalists from their cities. So now, coming to all of you, a very good evening and congratulations. You have successfully completed your talent round 2, and I must say, all of you are looking beautiful, and as said by the other jury members, all of you tried to come out of your comfort zones. Trust me, it makes me feel so proud कि आप हर दिन कुछ नया करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, right? And the first day when you appeared for your audition, this was what I said, that we are going to judge you on the basis of your own progress. And when every day you try to come out of your comfort zones, you're trying new things, you're preparing for that, appearing for different talent rounds, it totally shows that you are progressing. So that progress might be a little slow, lekin progress ho rahi hai. And a lot of you might not win the crown, but you will be reaching at a certain point where you will be more confident about yourself, where you will be your more authentic self, right? So that's what we're looking for. This community has been created so that we can motivate each other, we can be there for each other, we can inspire each other. तो जिनकी बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस थी, उनसे इंस्पिरेशन लीजिए कि आप और इम्प्रूव कैसे कर सकते हैं. अगर आपकी प्रिपरेशन में थोड़ी सी कमी थी, अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड थे, next time you have to come prepared with everything, your background, your attire, your makeup, your heels and everything, because next round is going to be about your ramp walk. Right, so I am hoping to see a lot of you in the upcoming training sessions after talent round 3. For till that time, all the best for your talent round 3. All the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, jury members. Thank you, ladies. It was an absolute, honor having each one of you, and we shall take your leave.
Thank you so much. Thank you.